there, it's Wisima, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve a stretch look while still keeping the volume of your hair. Okay, so I just rinsed out the treatment and now I'm gonna get ready to section and blow dry my hair. In order to get a good stretch, you don't want your sections to be too large, and to save time, you don't want your sections to be too small. Picking the perfect section size will depend on the thickness of your hair and your blow dryer. For example, if you have really thick hair and a small travel size blow dryer, it's better to work in small sections. And with thin hair and a professional dryer, your sections can be larger. Of course, you'll get better with making these sections with practice and as you learn your hair. Now that the hair is sectioned out, we're going to be using the tension method to blow it out. To do this, you want to hold the middle section of your hair in a firm grip while holding the dryer at the root at medium heat. After stretching the root to the middle of your hair, you want to take the blow dryer and drag it down the rest of the length of your hair, as you've seen me done already. And then go ahead and brush through the length of your hair. decided to twist out the side that I blew out already, so I'm just going to repeat the same process on the side of my head. So unfortunately we had load shedding, so I had to take the twists out and brush them off camera. But this is what my hair looks like now. I have like a bang situation going on, but yeah, this is the blowout. I'm going to show you the back. Yeah, so that's my hair. I don't know what to do with the front. Okay, but thank you so much for watching the whole video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more hair content. Thanks, bye.